What is up, you guys? I am back with another eyelash video. I always get so weird when I announce that because I'm just like too extra when it comes to eyelashes. But I'm going to do a video and show you guys how I clean my eyelash extensions. First off, I'm basically just going to clean the makeup off because I've been wearing makeup a lot. With Valentine's Day, I've been doing Valentine's looks for my Instagram, and it's sort of gotten in the lash region. And your girl's not happy with that because I don't want it to get dirty in there. I don't want it to get gross. So we're going to clean them out today. If any of you guys are watching are professionals, I'm sorry. Some of this stuff may not be to your liking, and I respect that completely. I'm just not a professional, and I do the best and safest way that I can do it. And if you guys want to see how I clean my lashes, what I use, which may be so simple it's going to surprise you, then just go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, first thing I'm going to use is this chlorine? I don't know. It is a waterproof makeup eye remover, and I'm just going to use that with these pointy little Q-tips. And I'm just going to kind of get into the groove. If you guys can see it, I don't know if you can see, I have like a dark line of makeup right above my lashes, and it's just eyeshadow. I put it on like a couple days ago. I've washed my face several times between then, and it just will not come off because I need to get up in there. So the joys of eyelash extensions. But it's worth it, so let's go ahead and do this. Okay, as I'm doing this, I thought of a few side notes. So I know a lot of professionals will be like, you shouldn't use those because it's cotton and they have the little fibers that come off. I know. Like, I'm going to get some of the like professional grade cotton swabs. Or like, you see the tip of this Q-tip? It's like just that much, just that tiny, and you use that to kind of swab through your lashes. And I'm gonna get me some of those because I really could use them. I just don't have them yet, so I will be using those soon. And then I also thought about the fact that blepharitis. That's so messed up that I just bust out and say that, but real talk, it's more common in people with like in elderly people or people with like disabilities that can't really take care of themselves on their own. It's more common in that type of situation, but even in eyelash extensions or people who, I don't know, even in eyelash extensions, people can get this disease, which is basically like, this is really gross, but it's eyelash mites. So basically, you can have tiny little organisms like living in your eyelashes if you're not cleaning them. So that's like a huge thing, and I've done some family members' eyelashes, and I just tell them, clean your lashes. When I last got my eyelashes professionally done, they said to not get them wet for 24 hours, which was fine. I could do that. But nowadays, with like technology of soaps and stuff, and the glue lash glue and all this stuff, like you can use a lash wash after you get your lashes done. And I've seen a lot of Instagram professionals do that after they're done with their full set. They will literally wash the lashes, and that's amazing because you can get the fume of the glue off, and any excess, you know, stuff that's left in your lashes after you leave the salon can get washed away. And I think that is amazing. So you just gotta tell people that, because some people just aren't about that life of just like knowing this type of stuff. So, oh, and this goes to show, look how dark that is. Just the makeup. Look how the clean side is. I feel so guilty. That's not good. But we got it, and it's only been like that for like a day or two. So, the other eye, look how dark that is compared to the other side. It's important to keep them clean. Now I'm going to show you guys how I like physically wash my lashes, and I like to do this in the shower, but for the sake of the video I'm just going to show you guys what I do. So basically I take a bar of soap. This is a Dove unscented sensitive bar of soap. This is a sensitive kind. It has no scent. It's just soap, pure soap, and it's sensitive, so it's good for your skin and the surrounding areas of your eye. It's gentle. Just don't open your eye, because soap has like pH and it's not fun when it gets in your eyes. So this is a good fair warning. Don't open your eye when you put this on your eyes. So what I do when I'm in the shower is, honestly, my hands are already wet. I just rub my bar of soap. Of course, rinse it off if you just wiped your entire body with it. I rinse it off, and then I just rub my soap like this. Then I go along my lash line and I literally do this. Just like wiggle. And I make sure I'm touching the root. That's where all the stuff gets stuck. I mean, obviously, no gunk can really stay up here because you're brushing them out, whatever. All the gunk is going to go up here. Your sleep, you know, your eye crust when you sleep at night. I know it's gross, but it's real. That gets stuck in there. You don't want that to get stuck in your lashes because it's gross, and you don't want mites in your eyes. That's so nasty, but it's true. And I don't want any of that for any of you guys watching my videos. So basically I rub it like this, and then I just go like that, and I'm making sure I touch the root of my lashes gently because I don't want to pull any out, but sometimes, you know, they may be loose anyway, and by you wiggling, they're going to come out. That's just what it is. So keeping my eye closed the entire time, because it hurts when the soap gets in your eye. Like, you would think Dove sensitive soap's not gonna hurt. It hurts. Any soap's gonna hurt, obviously. So just make sure you keep your eye closed, and then I just run my face underneath the warm water. Not too hot, not cold, but just warm water. I don't clean my lashes like this every day because I don't want to constantly knock them off, rip them out, or whatever may happen. I don't want that to happen, and I feel like I'm pretty clean as it is. I take a shower every day, sometimes every other day. I feel like I'm pretty clean. I don't feel like they're gonna come out. So yeah, I just kind of do this maybe once or twice a week, and then in between I am taking off my makeup, using those Q-tips every now and again when I use a lot of makeup on my eyes and close to my lash line like that. Already I can see they just look so much healthier, so much cleaner and crisper, because I removed that makeup that was on the lash line. And yeah, so now I have me a little bowl of water, and I also have a little spoolie. This is just a little plastic spoolie. You can get these at any drugstore. So let's go ahead and wet this. This is the first time I've done anything like this on my channel. It feels so special. So I'm just wetting the little spoolie. Then I'm going to take my bar of soap, and I'm just going to kind of... Then I take my bar of soap, and I'm just going to kind of rub the little bristles on it. See the white cast on the brush, so you know there's soap on it. Then I'm going to start with my left eye. I'm going to keep it closed, and I'm actually going to dip this in the water again. Okay, so now it's wet, and then I'm just going to go, my mirror. Then I'm just going to go in and just start gently. See, I don't normally use a spoolie, I just use my hand, so I'm going to try and be extra gentle with this. And I may dip back in the water just so it can get sudsy, like some more suds on it. Then I'm going to go under. I should have zoomed you guys in, I'm sorry. Maybe for the next one. Alright, so I opened my eye a little bit and it's almost starting to burn, but I'm just gonna stick through it. Alright, so now my eye is super wet. All of it's sudsy. And guys, I'm going to be right back because it's starting to burn. I guess my eye was peeking, I don't know. But I'm going to go rinse this off. So they look a little wonky right now, but we're back. Clean lashes. So I'm going to take my little elf spoolie and just go through and brush it gently. Ooh, you guys. It is absolutely just hair in these lashes. You can't see any debris, any grossness, anything. It looks so good and so clean now. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. So I'm just gonna brush these out gently. Careful to not knock any of them out. And then I also like to look from underneath. There's one little spot of makeup. So I think they all look really good and clean now. I had a couple fall out, nothing major. I'm really happy, and I think that is a great example for you guys on anyone confused how to clean their lashes. So we're just going to fast forward through and I'm going to clean this other eye and then we will be done here. Alright you guys, and now my lashes are squeaky clean, so I hope you guys do the same. Thank you guys so much for watching. If y'all have any questions, just let me know, and hopefully soon I will be coming up with another video about products I use to do my lashes. I just gotta order in a couple more things, so hope you guys will stick around. Till then, don't forget to subscribe if you like this video. Give it a thumbs up. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.
Do not sit on your foot after you hit 25, okay? It just hurts. Shoot, stop moving your eye, child.